Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. So today in this video we are folding the clothes. This is the last time laundry from the last video. Yeah, just that yeah, it took forever to upload this video. Yes, so we are folding, guys, and I'm just quickly just moving all the clothes here because this room is too small to actually see even what I'm doing. So I'm moving everything to my living room so I'm able to separate all the clothes. I usually just separate, like I put my daughter's clothes alone, me and my husband's clothes, it's usually together, or sometimes I separate it if I feel like it's too much, and my son's clothes, separate towels alone, and then the underwears is usually just the bras and my husband underwears and my son's underwear. The panties, the ladies, I was taught growing up that as a woman or as a girl, you need to wash your panties same time. So I never have panties in the laundry apart from the men's underwear. So this is what I'm doing right now, just quickly just separating everything. The laundry was not as much as it looked on the other room. Okay guys, we will talk later. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video, and yeah, I hope you do enjoy folding with me. These are all my beddings, some blankets, my daughter's things, me and my husband things, which is not much at all. This one, it's for ironing. I don't do ironing. I get help for that. Some underwears and socks. This is my son's things, so I'm only going to iron this, my son's things. Our ironing, which is a mix of my things, my husband things, and my daughter's things. I'll get someone to do that, and just few towels. And I will go right now show you the room. There's nothing. It's just when things are sitting piled up together, it looks like it's too much. So ta-da! This side is only just the curtains that I need to sew. Only that is actually sitting in this bed. Guys, let's do this. I'll start with my son's things because I need his things done. He's almost out of all his things.
try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see.
So guys, this is the trouser that I put the Vanish Instant Remover last time. It had all the turmeric marks. It's slightly yellowish around here, but I mean, it's gone. It's gone. This is my daughter's trouser. She wears it in the house, so always when she applies turmeric, I don't know what she does with her hands, but yeah, it's always have stains. So yeah, it's literally gone. So you know what, I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Even my son's trousers, just right now I think it's outside, also on the knees, it's there are no stains. I've moved to come and fold the side since there's a lot of distractions now that side.
It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see.
Okay guys, the video has come to the end. I decided to just stop it recording at this point because my son was just not having it now. He just wanted I must concentrate on him. Anyway guys, thank you so much for being here. If you were following with me, thank you so much. If you weren't, hope you got motivation from watching me fold. I will see you on my next upload. And if you are still here watching, can you kindly please just leave any heart of your choice just to show me that you were here up until right now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.